Hi, my friends, my subscribers, my watchers. Today I'm gonna prepare the food, like one traditional food from Bosnia, but it's not original, it's a little different making. I'm gonna put now in the pot olive oil. I always using olive oil. Four spoons from olive oil. And I have here onion, very small cut, and I have garlic, like 3 cloves. Over here I have 1 onion. I'm gonna put first onion. I want them to a little bit I always forgot the words how they say, but you understand me. It has to be a little soft first. A lot of viewers know the English not my native language. Still learning. Still learning. Onion is soft. Now I'm gonna put the garlic. Come on. And I'm gonna put ground beef, organic, grass-fed animals. Now I'm gonna mix those all and let them finish. And you're gonna see how it's gonna look. I cut the meat like in the small. It's almost done. Now I'm gonna put the salt. A little bit more. And I'm gonna put pepper. I'm gonna put light. The meat doesn't have to be all done because it's gonna be baked more. I'm gonna leave a little bit more, and we're gonna go to the next level. And it's done. You can leave like this to leave a little bit juice. It's gonna, because the burek is gonna be yummy. Okay. Let's go. Now I have this pot. I'm gonna put the oil all over. And I have here a fillo dough that's from Bosnia. You can find this any international store. Now I'm gonna put the one. There's one sheet that looks like this. I hope you see. Oops. Very nice. They're cleaning hallway. It's gonna make a noise that looks like this. Those sheets. Feel those sheets. It's a little bit short here, and I'm gonna put like this and put oil over. Not a lot. We don't need a lot oil because it's gonna be later something different to put over. Just a little bit. Okay, then I'm going to put another. Now I'm gonna put the meat over. Oops, oops, oops. I touched the camera. The meat you can put however, you can put less, you can put more, whatever you want, but I put always this package, it's enough. Because with the other ingredients, it's gonna be enough. Now again we put the one sheet, and we put the gun oil, and I'm gonna do that through the end like this. 2 sheets, 1 sheet oil, then we put the meat, then again the fillo dough, Excel sheet, but the fillo those sheets. And we do to the end like this. Okay, now I'm finishing. I'm gonna put the last dough, and this one is gonna be oil. I'm gonna put the oil. I put the oil, and now the last one, it's going to be over. I'm gonna fix that a little bit around, you're gonna see. I put all this around inside. To be nice. Not nice, then has to be like this. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut the squares. I'm gonna cut like this and the little squares. Not big one. But you can do whatever you want, you know. Doesn't matter that much. Now I have here 3 eggs. Like you see, I cut in the cubes, and I'm gonna mix those eggs. And mix the eggs. Now I have here 1 cup whipped cream, cooking whipped cream. I'm gonna mix together eggs, whipped cream, and I'm gonna add 1 glass of mineral water. Any mineral water you can use. And I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Now I'm gonna mix that together. I mix together. Now I'm gonna put over Burek this mixed stuff. I'm not gonna put all of them. I'm gonna leave a little bit when it's done, but I'm gonna show you everything. I wish you can be with me and try. This is so delicious. So delicious. Like this. I'm gonna leave, let's see, 1.5 cup for later. Now it's going to bake. I'll be right back. It's almost done. Now I'm gonna put over the rest of the ingredients what I make. Gonna do nice all over. Okay. And I'm gonna bake the maybe 5 minutes more. My burek pita it's done. I just going to let to cool a little bit, and we're gonna cut and see how it's inside. And now I cut and see how it's nice, crispy, and very tasty. And you can eat with salad, any salad if you want. You can eat plain, whatever it's, you know, whatever you like it, whatever you feel it's good. And just gonna show you, this is not commercial, but just for you. This is the fillo dough I used. It's a salty, for salty pitas. And I'm done for today. Thank you so much for watching, supporting. Thank you so much. I have almost 3K. Then gonna see what's gonna be next. I wish you best. I send you much love, so much love. And I see you in the next video or maybe in the live, some of you. Bye bye.